Hello everyone, welcome to Epic World Projects channel, where we bring you the latest updates from one of the world's most ambitious stadium transformations, the new Spotify Camp Nou. This is more than construction. It's the rebirth of a football icon. The new Camp Nou is already showing its incredible shape. The lower stands are taking their final form, while the upper tiers are being completely reimagined. Every week, hundreds of workers and engineers push this project closer to completion, laying down the future of football one beam at a time. The stadium's new roof, one of its most ambitious features, is gradually coming together. Soon, it will cover more than 47,000 square meters. Inside, the transformation is even more dramatic. The interior spaces are being rebuilt from scratch. New VIP lounges, modern locker rooms, press areas, and state-of-the-art facilities that will set new standards in world football. Every corridor, every stand, and every seat is being redesigned to give fans a complete experience. Comfort, technology, and emotion, all in one place. One of the most remarkable upgrades is happening underground. A huge multi-level parking area is being constructed to handle thousands of vehicles, offering easier access for fans, players, and staff. New entry points and smarter traffic flow systems will make getting in and out of the stadium faster and safer than ever before. Around the site, the Espai Barça complex is also evolving, connecting the stadium with new plazas, green zones, and public spaces that will make this area a true sports city. The goal is clear: to make the Camp Nou not only the biggest stadium in Europe. When completed, this €1.5 billion masterpiece will redefine what a football stadium can be, a true symbol of innovation, tradition, and passion. The countdown continues, and Barcelona's dream is becoming a stunning reality. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Epic World Projects, so you don't miss the next big step in the rebirth of the legendary Spotify Camp Nou.